Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mazda 3. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks fantastic. You do got the Mazda logo right up front there with the chrome accenting. You also have projector-style headlights and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 18-inch rims with our tires there, the Falcon brand tires. They look great. I do like those black rims as well. You got them heated mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have the Sky Active, the Mazda logo as well. You can hold the button, open it up just like that on the keys. Lots of room back here as well. Very soft. You got the extra mats. You can lift this up and you do have your spare tire right underneath there as well. Okay, so we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You got that button to open up the back, and you do have your panic button there. It does also have the proximity button, so you just got to press the button and it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. As well, you do have a bit of chrome accenting here, handle here, and some storage for a water bottle right here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. You got that nice red stitching on them. You do have electric seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt. And then right over here we have all sorts of different buttons. So we do have the traction control, the BSM off, the ASF off, and then you do have your lane departure there. This button does open up the back, and you do have the front and the gas tank there. And then up here we do have the controls of our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights and our turning signals there. Okay, let's start up here. So keys in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. I really love this feature right here. Let's see if we can see it. A little bit hard to see, but it does have your speedometer right there on that little gauge. Very cool. Then down here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. Then you also can change that around over here from the temperature outside to your average liters per 100 kilometers, and your range, and your average, and your current, and then back to the average liters per 100 kilometers. You can switch that all around. You also got the trip info up there, what gear we're in, and how many kilometers we have, which is 34,000. Not too bad at all. Now down here we do have the controls over the skipping of the song, volume up and down, info, Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Then over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. Manual shifters right here, always fun to have. Then you do have your touchscreen display right up here, so you can do all that. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all right in here. You also have Bluetooth and you have USB and all those guys. Now you can also look at all sorts of different stuff there. You got your home right over here, so you have your entertainment applications. You also have your navigation right there, so you can see we are on Rec Place, of course. Now that is controlled from right here, little dial here. You also have the music, home, and navigation button, volume up and down right there, back, and your favorites. Then in the center we do have our heated seats. We have the dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Circulation here, AC, front and rear defrost, power up and down, off, and you got the mode switcher there. CD player right here, always nice to have. Then you do have your gear shift right here with your sport mode. You do also have your backup camera when you are in reverse, keeping you nice and safe. You have your emergency brake right there, and then you also have a little armrest here that doubles as a storage container. Got some USB plugins, aux cord, and SD card, as well as you do have some extra storage right underneath there. Then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, and then up top you do have the control of the sunroof, sunglass holder, and all that stuff. And there is our sunroof. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you have the handle there. You do have your control over your windows, handle, and some storage down there. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. Red stitching looks awesome. You do also have your armrest with some cup holders if you didn't need all 3 people back here. And they do flip forward with the control in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Mazda 3. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.